Okay, guys, I have a new short, guys. New problem short. And I just forgot. Okay, guys. I just make a short how just I got the noob skin because it's super easy. Just color the skin, guys. Color this. Oh, okay. And one comment just said, I think he is Philippines. Wow. How did you know? How did you know I'm live in Philippines? Okay. Now, don't you want to see me talking Philippines? I will hit I will hit 100 subscribers. I will talk Philippines. Yes. I'm in Philippines. I will talk like Philippines, okay? Okay? And guys, okay. Yeah, he's right. Wait, why did you say you are in I'm in the Philippines because you are in Philippines too? Did you want to see me talking? Did you want to see me said Filipino? Just hit 100 subscribers. I know I'm bad in English because I'm in Philippines. You have to know I'm bad in English. Don't you know I'm bad in English? I'm bad in Filipino too. Okay, do you want to see it? Say it. Okay. Kumusta? Yeah, that is me. Okay, gusto niyo magkikita. O sabi ko, I told you I live in Philippines. Now, don't you want to see it? Just subscribe my channel. Bye-bye. O-I-I-A-I-O-I.